If you are new to Rumble and you don't know the right way to upload your videos, or maybe you have already uploaded a few videos, but you are not sure if you are doing it correctly, in this video, I will show you the exact step to upload video on Rumble the right way. And I will also share a few beginner tips that can help you avoid common mistakes. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure you subscribe and turn on notification. Now, let's jump into today's tutorial. First, open Rumble and log in into your account. Once you log in, look at the top of the page and click on this plus icon. Click Upload Video. This will take you to the page where you can upload your video. The first thing you will see is the Select Video to Upload box. Simply tap this area and choose the video you want to upload from your phone or computer. After selecting it, Rumble will start uploading the video. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few minutes. Do you understand? If your video is vertical and under 3 minutes long, it may automatically be treated as Rumble Shorts. Step 2. Enter your video title. Your title should clearly tell viewers what your video is about. Below the title is the description box. This is where you explain what viewers will learn from your video. Now let's choose category. The primary category should match your main topic. So click on primary category. I will scroll and look for how to. That is my category. Next is the thumbnail. Rumble may generate thumbnail options automatically from your video. You can choose one of the thumbnail or upload your own custom thumbnail. Custom thumbnails usually attract more clicks, so click on Choose Your Own Thumbnail. My thumbnail is now uploaded. The tag section is optional, but it's helpful. So add keywords related to your video. Then I'll paste my tag. Next is to choose where to upload. This section is very important. You can upload your video to your personal profile or your channel. Select your channel so that all related videos stay organized in one place. If this is an important video, you can feature it at the top of your profile or channel. Featured videos are often the first thing visitors see. Next, set visibility. Now choose who can watch your video. Public means everyone can see it. Unlisted means only people with the link can watch your video. Private means only you can see it. Schedule allows you to choose a specific date and time for publishing. Do you understand? So I'm going to click on schedule. I will select a date, 14. Then I will select the time. Then I will click on apply. Next is notify your followers. If you want your followers to know about your new upload immediately, check the notification. Rumble will send a notification to your followers when the video goes live. After that, click the upload button. If you reach this page after uploading your video to Rumble, don't click this submit button yet. This is one of the most important decisions you will make because it determines where you can upload your video and who has the right to manage it. So let's go through each options one by one. The first option is video management, bracket exclusive. Now when you choose video management, bracket exclusive, you give Rumble the exclusive right to manage and license your video. That means Rumble becomes the only company allowed to license and distribute your video. You cannot give the same rights to another company, and you may not be able to upload the same content freely to another platform depending on the agreement. Choose this option only if you want Rumble to have exclusive control over your video licensing. The next option is video management, excluding YouTube. With video management excluding YouTube, Rumble manages your video everywhere except YouTube. This means you can still upload the same video to your YouTube channel. You can monetize it on YouTube if you are eligible. But outside YouTube, Rumble has the right to manage and license your video. Now here is something many creators don't realize. If you upload the landscape version to Ramble and later upload the portrait version to TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, or any other platform. Changing the aspect ratio does not automatically make it a different video. It's still the same content. So before choosing video management excluding YouTube, make sure you are comfortable giving Ramble those management rights outside YouTube. The next option is Ramble only. This is one of the most popular choice for creators. With Ramble only, your video is available on Ramble, but the agreement is non-exclusive. That means you still own your content and have much more freedom. You can generally upload the same video to YouTube and other social media platforms while keeping it on Ramble. If you are building a brand across multiple platforms, this option usually gives you the most flexibility. Do you understand? The last option is personal use. This option is not for creators who want to earn money. If you choose personal use, your video is uploaded for personal viewing only. It is not intended for monetization or licensing, and it won't receive the same distribution opportunities as the other license options. So most creators who want to grow a channel or make money should not choose this option. Do you understand? Next is additional video information. This section is optional. You can add extra information about your video. Do you understand? But if you don't have anything to add, you can leave it blank. The next one is additional syndication option. This section contains extra distribution settings. So if you are new to Rumble and you don't understand this option, it's usually fine to leave the default settings. Next is terms and condition. So before you publish your video, you will need to check the required boxes. The first checkbox confirms that you haven't already signed an exclusive agreement with another company. Now the second checkbox confirms that you agree to Ramble terms and condition. So without checking this box, you won't be able to submit your video. Once you have selected your license and completed everything else, click submit to publish your video on Ramble. It's going to bring you to this interface. So the next thing you want to do is to check if the video you uploaded is monetizable on Ramble. So click on your profile picture, click my content. As you can see, the video I just uploaded is showing monetization pending. All you just need to do is to allow Ramble to go through your video. If you follow Ramble terms and condition, you are going to see monetize, monetize, monetize. Do you understand? If you find this video helpful, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next tutorial.